What if your browser could think for you, could chat with you, book your flights, fill out your forms before you even ask? That is exactly what OpenAI is building. And it could be biggest threat Google Chrome has ever faced. In this video, we are diving into OpenAI's upcoming AI-powered browser, what it does, how it works, and why it could change everything about how we use the internet. We will cover its wild new features, how it stacks up to Chrome, what it means for your privacy, and when you can actually try it. So here is what we know. OpenAI is working on a brand new browser built on Chromium, the same open source foundation as Google Chrome. But unlike Chrome, this browser will be driven by AI. At its core, a chat interface. You don't type in URLs, you don't Google things, you talk to it and it talks back, like ChatGPT, but built in your browser and with way more power. But it gets better. It is not just a chatbot, it is powered by something called Operator. OpenAI's intelligent agent system. Operator can do stuff for you. You can say, book me a flight from Los Angeles to Tokyo next weekend, or fill out this job application, use my information, or even find me a cheapest 4-star hotel in Paris and reserve it. And it just does it. No more 10 tabs, no more copy pasting confirmation codes. It is web browsing, but without browsing. Now, if you're thinking, wait, this sounds like a pretty big deal, you're right. Chrome has over 3 billion users. It dominates over two-thirds of browser market, and Google makes billions through search ads, data collection, and tracking what users click. But with this new AI browser, OpenAI does not need search. It does not need clicks. It just needs your conversation, and that changes everything. If people stop searching and start asking, Google's business model start to shake. OpenAI is not alone here. Perplexity just launched its own browser called Comet. Brave is adding AI summarizers. Even Apple is getting in the game. But OpenAI's angle is different. They are building this browser from the ground up, tightly connected to their GPT model. Some reports even say OpenAI wanted to buy Chrome if the DOJ forced Google to sell it off. That tells you how serious they are. But here is the catch. For the AI to help you, it needs access to your history, to your form, your accounts, and that raises huge questions around privacy. Will OpenAI keep your browsing local like Perplexity does, or will your data go straight to cloud? Will it track what you type into forms, what you buy, where you go? For a lot of users, that could be a deal breaker. So, when can you try it? According to multiple reports, including Reuters and TechRadar, OpenAI's browser is launching very soon, as in within weeks, possibly even this month. It is likely roll out in stages, maybe to pro users first before opening up to general public. And it is not just an extension. This is full-on new browser with a built-in AI interface. Think ChatGPT used with Chrome, but way smarter. So what does all this mean for you? Well, it could change how you interact with internet completely. Instead of searching, clicking, scrolling, you will ask and your browser will act. That means faster tasks, fewer distractions, and less time lost in 20 open tabs. But it also means putting a lot more trust in AI. So the real question is, would you switch if OpenAI's browser could do all this? Would you leave Chrome? Would you give it a shot? Let me know in the comments right now. Just type yes or no and tell me why. If OpenAI pulls this off and users actually adopt it, we are not just talking about a new app. We are talking about the end of click-based internet and the beginning of a new AI-first web where conversations replace queries and your browser does not just show you the web, it uses it for you. If you are fascinated by this, as I am, hit that like button. It helped me more than Subscribe if you want to see my hands-on breakdown as soon as it drops. And remember, the future of browsing is not about search anymore. It is about asking and letting the AI take it from there.